Hi folks, I am Lauren Talley with Big Mountain Realty. Today we have one of our newest listings to show you at 182 Greenview Drive in Echo Lake Estates. I really love this property because it's almost 3 acres big, has views of Pagosa Peak, the Eastern Range, and sits just north of Echo Lake. It has multiple build sites, as well as water running to the lot and an electric junction box ready for you to build. Now we're going to go ahead and get some drone footage so we can